Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start learning digraph. The first digraph that we are going to learn is the sound of two O's. When two O come together, they make two sounds. One is oo, a long sound that is in moon, and oo, like in broom. Two O's also make a short O sound. O. Short sound that is O, O, O. Like in book. And O sound like in wool. So now let's read with me. B, oo, t. Boot. It's a long sound.
Boot, boot.
H, oo, t. Hoot.
Hoot, hoot.
Oot, root.
Oot, root.
Oot, suit.
Oot, suit.
Cool. Cool.
Cool.
Ooh, fool.
Ooh, a fool.
Ooh, tool.
A tool.
Ooh, pool.
A pool.
Stool. Stool.
Stool.
Spoon. Spoon.
Spoon.
Hoof.
Hoof.
Goof.
Goof.
Roof.
Roof.
Coop.
Coop.
Moon.
Moon.
Soon.
Soon.
Noon.
Noon.
Mood.
Mood.
Food.
Food.
Zoom.
Zoom.
Room.
Room.
Troop.
Troop.
Proof.
Proof.
Scoop.
Scoop.
Broom.
Broom.
Groom.
Groom.
b, bull, blue, bloom.
Bloom.
B. Now learn the short o sound of two O's. B, o, k, book.
Book.
H, o, k, hook.
Hook.
W, o, wool.
Wool.
W, o, d, wood.
The wood.
O, t, foot.
Foot.
O, k, look.
Look.
T, o, k, took.
Took.
W, o, wolf.
Wolf.
St, st, o, stood.
Stood.
Thank you for watching.